Hello everyone, welcome to my web development course. In this lesson, I will teach you how to use dialog boxes in JavaScript. First, let's go to our Notepad++ or any text editor that you have. Then type script function alert. And then type alert. This is a alert message. And then let's type here input type button, then value click me, and then on click on click, then on click alert, then save it in your desktop. Let's create a folder. I will name the folder as JavaScript, and then I will name it as alert.html. Save it then let's run Chrome. When you click, it will appear the alert box, and this is the alert message. And that's it, guys. It's working. See you guys in my next lesson. Thank you.